Now, 3 weeks ago, we started this trading challenge to make 1 million Kenyan shillings that we'll use to pay the bride price for my wife. We are happy to announce that we've come to the end of that challenge and we've made more than 1 million Kenyan shillings trading on Quotex. Now, if you'd like to see which strategy we used and how we achieved these results, watch this video to the end and also make sure that you
subscribe to this channel
so that when we post more videos about trading, you'll be the first one to get notified. See you after the pre-roll. Hi guys, so we've come to the end of our challenge for the bridal prize payment. This is my final video for that challenge, and as you can see, my account balance has grown to $14,761. So yesterday I started trading with $1,000 and grew this account by this much. By the end of the day, I was position 7 on the Quotex leaderboard. Today I haven't traded though, so that is why my balance is still 0. But if we go to analytics and look at the analytics for this month, you will see that I have made profits of $13,109. My turnover for the month has been $54,967, and my maximum trade amount has been $1090. Now, if you go to the trades that I placed yesterday, you will see that all that profit came from the trades that I placed yesterday with a turnover of 20,000 and an average profit of $625. So for this video, I'll show you guys the withdrawal process. I'll withdraw some of this money so that I can finish paying off my service providers for the ceremony. So we'll go to the withdraw button, enter the amount that we want to withdraw. So I'll withdraw $48.97. I'll do it to USDT Tether to that pass and use the TRX TRC20 network. Okay, so now that everything is ready, I'll just click on the confirm button, enter the 2-step verification code. So now that you've placed that request, you see that amount has been deducted from our main account, and we are told that we shouldn't withdraw again until that one has been processed. If you go down, you see that the withdrawal is still pending and it might take up to 48 hours to receive the funds. From my previous video, we did this in about 10 minutes and we received this amount. So for today, this is what we'll receive if our withdrawal is processed. That is 632,937 shillings. And if you are wondering how much I made yesterday trading in Quotex, this is the full amount. Let us go back to Quotex. This is the full amount that I made in profits yesterday. If we convert this to Kenyan shillings, that is about 1.7 million Kenyan shillings. So again, looking back at how we started with a small amount of $500 on our first video for this challenge. Then we did $11 for the following week, which was last week, and this week we did $1,000 as our starting capital. So all this money we generated from that $1,000 deposit, and this is how far it has brought us: 1,778,685 shillings. It's only taken about 5 minutes, and if I look at my Binance account, that amount has already reflected $4,897. So let's go back to Quotex and refresh that account. Let's refresh that, go to withdrawal and check to confirm that this one has been successful too. And it is successful. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there's a link on the description of this video. Click on it and create your account. So now that we are done with the withdrawal part, let's jump back on the Quotex trading platform and see how I traded and earned all this money. 5 seconds for 0, and we just made $940 from the $500 investment. Later, 6 seconds for 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah. We are already at $3,087. Again, I'm very nervous. In case you missed it, last week we started trading with $11, hoping to grow that to 500,000 Kenyan shillings, and lost it when we got to $254. This week we yet begin the challenge again, and this time we are doing $1,000 as our minimum capital that we are starting with. So with $1,000, I'm hoping that we can get to 500,000 Kenyan shillings very fast, because again, time is not on my side. I only have a few weeks left until we go to the ceremony. So as usual, I'll set up my chart. I'll do 1 minute. So I'll do 1 minute on trade duration. I'll keep on changing the investment amount, and the time frame we maintain 1 minute. Next, let us set the tools that we'll be using to generate our signals, and I'll use the Donchian channel for this one. The next tool that I want to use is the stochastic oscillator. If you've watched my previous videos, then you already know how each of these tools work. If you haven't, then find time and go back to my previous videos to watch everything about the Donchian channel and everything about the stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator has two moving averages oscillating between level 30 and level 70. Just like all the other oscillators, when these two moving averages are below the 30 level, we say that the market is oversold and we expect a reversal. When the market is above the 70 level, we say the market is overbought and we expect a reversal. So this always doesn't happen, so you should be watchful of what price action says on the chart before you rely on this. You can use this tool to tell if a reversal is imminent, so that you can stop trading on the trending direction. For example, if you look at this, the market is in the oversold zone. It rises as the moving averages go up. You see price rising. When the moving averages fall, we see a correction in price. Then we see a continuation upwards. Also notice that the moving averages stay above the 70 level for a while, and in that scenario you can see that price is above the middle band of the Donchian channel. Now let's talk about the Donchian channel. It works just like the Bollinger Bands. When you see the Donchian channel expanding like you see here, then it means there's a lot of volatility in the market, and you should trade to take advantage of those opportunities. Look at this, for example. There is a balloon here and we see that price has fallen. Here is another interesting example of where the Donchian channel expanded and we see that price also rose with it. Price can also break out of the Donchian channel. Look at this, for example. This is a channel that we see here. Then when we get to this candlestick here, price goes above and breaks out, and when that happens, it continues to trend upwards. So other than using breakouts to trade with the Donchian channel, you can also use these three moving averages that you see on the chart. This is the lower band, this is the middle band, and this is the upper band. When price is below the middle band and the moving averages on the stochastic oscillator are also below the 50 level, then that is a signal for you to trade downwards. If price is above the middle level and the moving averages on the stochastic oscillator are also above the 50 level, then you should trade upwards. There are many other conditions and entry signals that you can also use with the Donchian channel. For example, you can trade the bounces. Look at this here, price has gone to the lower band and bounced back upwards. How do we tell that it is a bounce? This is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. You see that formation, and when you look at price has risen above the mid level. Look at the stochastic oscillator, it has also gone from below the 30 level upwards. Here is another example of a bounce. Look at that. Look at how price has reacted after that bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and the result for the trades that were made here. Okay. So when price fails to go above the middle band from below, then we can consider this middle band as our resistance level and continue trading downwards. If price fails to go below the middle band from above, then we can consider it a support level and continue trading upwards. Now that we have all that out of the way, let us place our first trade for $500. I'll trade upwards. I've just placed my first trade upwards for $500. My reason being there is a pin bar here that shows lower price rejection. We also see another one here. Then if you look at the stochastic oscillator, it has also started going from below the 30 level upwards. If we win this, we'll make $940 from that trade. So should price close above the middle band, I'll trade upwards again. 5 seconds for 0, and we just made $940 from the $500 investment. Let us give it time. For the next trade, I'll do $1,000. I want to get to at least 500,000 Kenyan shillings very fast and stop trading. Price is already above the middle band. 12 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. In case we win that, we'll make $1,900 out of that trade, and our new balance will go to over $2,000. That is over 100% return on investment. I'm nervous. I've just placed a trade for $1,000. Give it 27 seconds, 22 seconds, 20, 14 seconds, 6 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah. I was very nervous, and that has closed in profits of $1,900. Okay. So for the next trade, let's do $830. I already see the stochastic oscillator almost touching the 70 level. The stochastic oscillator is almost touching the 70 level. So let's create a rectangle here. So this is the area where we expect price to reverse. Okay. So instead of 1 minute, I'll do 2 minutes up. That will give price a lot of time to react. If we lose on the first candlestick, we can recover on the next. So for 2 minutes, we go up for $830. If we win that, we make $1,577. Give it time to react to price. So these are the times you wish you are done. You are done 1 minute, but you already did 2 minutes in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And we would have lost on that if we had done 1 minute. Let's wait for that reaction for the next candlestick, and it closes in 49 seconds. Again, this is making me very nervous. In 40 seconds, we will know the results in 40 seconds. In 40 seconds, we will go to over $3,000 if it wins. What just happened? It almost went below below our execution point, and we only have 12 seconds left until the close of that candlestick. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah. We are already at $3,087. Again, I'm very nervous. I'm very nervous. Price has not reached our resistance level yet, so we'll give it time to adjust. But for the next trade, I do $1,000 again. If we win that, we get $1,900. Remember, the rate on of return is 90% on the card CHF pair. That is the pair we are trading. We've already placed 3 trades, each with different investment amounts. The first one being $500, the second one $1,000, and the third one $830. So this is our fourth trade. But if you look at this candlestick pattern that has just formed here, this is a bearish candlestick pattern, and it shows that prices can fall. So we'll do $1,000 on that, because again, if prices fall, they'll fall to the middle band. Okay, if they fall, they will go to the middle band and continue on the new trend, which is the upward trend. We almost lost that. Good thing I didn't change the timer. We still traded on the 2-minute duration, so we still have 1 minute and 18 seconds left until the close of our trade. Again, this is the fourth trade that I'm placing on Quotex. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Go ahead, click on it and create your account. 1 minute left, and I might just have made a blunder on that trade. But hey, we started trading with $1,000, so we still are in the green of $1,087. So if it loses, we'll continue with what we have left in the account. 28 seconds left until the close of our trade. 22 seconds. Go down, go down. Now I'm singing for the market. Go down, go down, go down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah. This thing is nerve-wracking. So that is our fourth trade that we've just won. We've placed 2 trades on the 2 minutes trade duration and 2 trades on the 1 minute trade duration. So I'm expecting that price will continue downwards. So I've placed another trade. I should have done 1 minute, but again, I've done 2 minutes. Look at the stochastic oscillator. The 2 moving averages have already crossed and they are facing downwards. My worry is price can go to the middle band and they get rejected at that level, or they can continue going downwards even further. If that happens, we will appreciate. We have 1 minute, and it seems there is a rejection of lower prices. 1 minute 15 seconds left. Lower prices are getting rejected at the middle band. We should have done 1 minute, but hey, we still have 1 minute left, so let's continue waiting and hoping that prices fall even further. 53 seconds left until the close of that candle. If this trade closes in profits, then that will be the end for me for today, because I will have achieved what I was looking for. 38 seconds. Prices have been rejected here, so it means that it might continue going upwards. I should have placed an upward trade. But hey, we still have a few seconds left. Higher prices are getting rejected too. It closes in 3 seconds to 1. So those are 5 different successful trades that we placed today, the 7th of August, and that is it for me. So far we have $4,887.01. Let's convert that to Kenyan shillings. That is 632,879 Kenyan shillings.